These dancers have spent months preparing for this one moment, and it can be a very intense emotional experience. It is not uncommon for dancers or their watching families to cry out or even faint. Dance is at the very center of our culture. It speaks of what we are as a people. But it's not just a matter of learning the movements. The guidance of a good teacher is essential. Someone with good skills in dance, in storytelling, and in the use of traditional magic. With this support, a good dancer will fearlessly seize the moment. This dance is part of a family saga. It tells of a fishing contest between the various members. It was a very serious contest. The loser lost all, including his life. Many of the early missionaries were alarmed by dance, particularly its so-called satanic elements. On some islands, they attempted to ban it. Last century, the writer Robert Louis Stevenson came to these shores. He compared the local dance to the great art forms of his own culture. He was captivated and found it had all the thrilling passion and drama of great opera and ballet.